Here in California, with surging prices and further struggles in our economy, homeowners are struggling to sell. Mimi Alcala reports from San Diego.
So a year ago, our average days on the market was maybe like 10 days.
For the last couple of years, San Diego's home prices were skyrocketing. Sellers getting multiple offers well over their asking price and for sale signs quickly removed.
We could sell a property in a weekend. Interest rates were, in the 2%, like easily. Lender credits, you can pretty much, a buyer can get whatever it is that they need it, and a seller can get top dollar.
But recently, there's been a noticeable shift, and Cherie Jones, broker and owner of local SAC Realty, has seen it firsthand.
With interest rates, we're seeing anywhere between 5 and 6% on conventional or FHA, and we're seeing homes staying on the market longer. We're seeing prices drop.
Mortgage rates are up, and we have inflation.
Eric Bildman, vice president and GM of Sunday Marketplace, says right now, nationwide, many buyers are also backing out of contracts last minute because of the rising rates.
So in June, almost 15% of all contracts with buyers were canceled by the buyer. And comparatively, pre-pandemic, the highest number ever on record was 11%.
Something Jones is seeing in San Diego.
I actually had a meeting with my lender this morning, and she gets a phone call like buyers pulling out, and I'm seeing that as well. Buyers are getting cold feet. Buyers are like, I'm going to wait, to see what happens.
But it's not impossible to sell or buy. Jones says people on both sides are getting creative. Buyers are able to negotiate.
Sellers are offering credit for closing costs.
And she's telling sellers to be patient and not price their homes too aggressively.
Let's do maybe 30 to 50K under, and then also expect to get a lowball offer.
With photojournalist Steve Martinez, Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.